Hello students, welcome you all GK classes of RDS group of school. This video is for class 6 and today we will solve quiz number 1. This quiz is related to PT1 syllabus, so please write and solve carefully these questions. Is that clear, class? Firstly mention your today's date, 13 October 2020. So first of all, now first question is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. So first question is, which is the longest beach in India? Which is the longest beach in India? आपको बताना है. मरीना बीच चेन्नई और जुहू बीच इन मुंबई. So the right answer is Marina Beach in Chennai. Next question is, the highest waterfalls in India is. So which is the highest waterfall in India is? Here is two options. So right answer is Kunchikal Falls. Kunchikal Falls is the right answer. Now next question is, which is the highest dam in India? So which is the highest dam in India? Here is two options. First is Bhakra Dam. Second option is Tehri Dam. So right answer is Tehri Dam. Next question, which is the largest desert in India? The Thar Desert or Run of Kutch. So right answer is Thar Desert. Is that clear, class? Now next question is name them. आपको नेम्स बताने हैं इसके. ये क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं 5 क्वेश्चंस जिनके आपको नेम्स बताने हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया. हु वाज कॉल्ड द नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया? नाउ राइट आंसर इज समुद्रगुप्त इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया. समुद्रगुप्त स्पेलिंग इज SAMUDRA, Samudragupta, GUPTA. Now second question is city of lakes. So which city is called city of lakes? Udaipur is called city of lakes. The spelling of Udaipur is UDAIPUR. Udaipur. Next question is largest flightless bird. So which is the largest flightless bird? Now right answer is ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. Now fourth question is city of Nawabs. Everybody knows that this is very easy question. So right answer is Lucknow is called the city of Nawabs. Spelling of Lucknow is LUCKNOW, Lucknow. Next question is founder of Mauryan Empire. So who was the founder of Mauryan Empire? Now answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Mauryan Empire. So what is the spelling of Chandragupta Maurya? The spelling of Chandragupta Maurya is CHANDRAGUPTA, Chandragupta Maurya, MAURYA. Now next question is fill in the blanks. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आपको बताने हैं. यहाँ पर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स नोट करने हैं अच्छे से. डैश हैज़ 15% cells of humans and 85% of animals. It was cloned. तो आपको यहाँ पर उस एनिमल का नेम बताना है जिसमें ह्यूमंस के 15% सेल्स होते हैं और एनिमल्स के 85% सेल्स होते हैं. सो राइट आंसर इज चिमेरा sheep. Spelling is CHIMERA, chimera. Sheep, SHEEP, sheep. Next FIB number 2 dash can sleep for 3 to 4 years and during that period it does not need food. तो आपको उस एनिमल का नेम बताना है. सो राइट आंसर इज snail can sleep for 3 to 4 years and during that period it does not need food. तो किसे वो कौन सा ऐसा एनिमल है जो 3 से 4 साल सो सकता है और उस टाइम पर उसे खाने की कोई भी आवश्यकता या रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है. तो दिस एनिमल इज snail. The spelling of snail is SNAIL, snail. Now third FIB is its fruit is round and green, golden and red. It keeps the doctor away. It is, everybody knows that, apple. So what is the spelling of apple? APPLE. Next FIB dash award is given to the best trainer and coaches of the sports persons. So which award is given? कौन सा ऐसा अवार्ड है जो बेस्ट ट्रेनर और कोचेस को दिया जाता है जो कि एक स्पोर्ट पर्सन्स होते हैं. सो राइट आंसर इज द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड इज गिवन टू द बेस्ट ट्रेनर एंड कोचेस ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स. स्पेलिंग इज द्रोणाचार्य is DRONACHARYA. So this is the spelling of Dronacharya. Now last FIB is dash was ruler of Satvahana Empire. तो सतवहना एम्पायर के रूलर कौन थे? सतकर्णी. Who was the ruler of Satvahana Empire? Satkarni was the ruler of Satvahana Empire. Spelling of Satkarni is SATKRNI. So I hope everybody have understood this quiz and also the right answers. So watch video carefully and do work carefully in your book, page number 21. Quiz first and also mention date 13/10/20 means 13 October 2020. Is that clear, class? Now thank you and have a nice day everyone.